风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。这个整个月呢，我们都在聊一些跟译文相关的事情嘛。We're talking about performing arts this whole month. So how about let's teach you how to say performing, 表演。表演。Okay, so for instance, at the Taipei Arena, there are a lot of performances pretty much year-round. 台北小巨蛋全年有很多的表演。
台北小巨蛋，
每年有動多嘅表演。All right, that means all year round there's performances happening at the Taipei Arena. 你說小巨蛋是小巨蛋就是巨蛋嘛，所以如果是大巨蛋的話，變太巨蛋哦，是不是 ？Okay, those are two different arenas, the big one and the small one. All right, let's talk about how about performances are happening right now, and maybe some of the bands or singers did a great job. How do you say that? 今晚演唱會歌手們表演得超精彩。
安布亞演唱會嘅故事，表演都非常精彩，
就是精彩的意思嘛，对不對？ That means like awesome. Their performance was great. It was lively. It was wonderful. Let's review some of these phrases that might be useful, including how about the Taipei Arena? Let's review that. 小巨蛋
小巨蛋
or 太巨蛋, that's the big arena now. And then how about singers? 歌手
故事
singers in general. And we're talking about their performances. 也就是表演。And there you have it, learning more about performing arts in Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
漢字社長來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.